Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for the August 18th going into the 19th. I'm going to start off with natural gas. Had a solid rally today. And even though we didn't leave and maintain gap higher on the day, it's a bullish the past 3 day formation is bullish formation. Okay, we were bearish on a lot of these calls in here. I won't go over all those right now. More recently, on the 13th, we left a minor bearish reversal above. We came off 134 ticks from the 277.20 open and then the break below 268.10. I had brought in 43 ticks of pressure before taking that out last night. But this went out bullish now. A maintained gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below as well. The crude oil, okay, the break above, I'm not going to go over the higher time frame stuff today. The trade above 76.87. I brought in $8.81 to the strength warned about above. A little bit more than that, up to 85.07. Excuse me, more than that, up to 85.94 in the SEP contract, because we're updating this with the SEP even though we're in the ARC until the SEP comes off the board, except for this trade right here, the trade above 86.76. Oh, sorry, we haven't taken that out yet. I'm sorry. Between 266 in the ARC contract, the trade above 81.57 has brought in trade up to 85.07. Decent trade below 82.62 plus 4 per hour. Starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Tuesday will warrant decent pressure. If we break below there decently, back up through it decently, look for decent short covering to come in. I had also said that the break above 79.56 warned of strength. Sorry, let me just transfer this over here. 594. So that brought in 638 of strength. On the 10th, we left a bullish reversal below. We rallied $6.21 from the 79.73 open, and then trade above 83 even. I said projects this upward 330 minimum, 1140 plus maximum. We attained 294 of that. But that has been shaved a bit, so 83, bear with me a minute. Should be shaved by about 35 ticks, or excuse me, 45 ticks. So that is going to be a minimum of 285. Minimum, and then 1095 plus maximum. Okay, and then the RBOB, or unleaded gasoline. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. We held exhaustion with a 279.75 low. And rallied 52.97 cents. And we also had areas to be long above at 290.95, 299.96, 304.50, 315.45, which I also said projects this upward 8 cents minimum, 40 cents plus maximum, of which we have now attained 17.27 cents. And then in the October, the trade above 288.02. Has brought in, bear with me a moment, brought in 14.83 cents of strength. And then the trade above 291.02 projects this upward 8 cents minimum, 37 cents plus maximum. And we have attained 11.83 cents out of that so far. The maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, in the heating oil, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. The maintained gap lower tomorrow in the heat will warn of decent, will leave a minor bearish reversal above. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff in the heat. We held exhaustion with a 367.25 low and rallied 80.59 cents. We also had areas to be long above at 376.59, 406.61, 407.64, 416.04, 427.51, 438.61. Well, I said that I warned that if we broke above there, that would suggest continued strength. Also in the October, the trade above 415.84 has brought into 18.58 cents of strength so far. And decent trade above 431.33 plus 4 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Tuesday will project this upward 65 cents minimum, $1 plus maximum. Break above there decently and back down through it decently. Look for decent pressure to come in. The Brent not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade above 82.25. Has brought in 975 of strength. Treated and additional areas to be long above at 84.96. From 85.13, 88.27, which also projects this upward 315 minimum, 13.7 maximum. We've attained $3.73 of that so far. And then also, so just getting long above 89.05. We've seen $2.95 of that. Decent trade above 93.75. Minus 0.3 of a tick per hour will project this upward $14 minimum, $35.50 plus maximum. In the gas oil, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. The maintained gap lower will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff in here. More recently, trade above 914.25, brought in 381.25 strength. Outside levels to be long above at 942.75, 960.22. We also held exhaustion with the 1053.75 low, rallied 259. Left a minor medium bullish reversal below, rallied 126.25 from the 1186.50 open. The break above 1216.50, brought in 96.25 strength. The trade back above 12, 75.60 brought in 37.15 of strength. We fell back down through that. That'll want a renewed pressure. That's going to come in at 1306.54. Plus 124 per hour, starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday. I would note we're holding this exhaustion level currently right here at 1308.07 with a 1312.75 high. If we take that out, we're likely headed up towards the next level, which is going to be 1361.17. And the cadence going into tomorrow is the RBOB is the strongest of the three, the heating oil in the middle, and crude the weakest of the three relative to one another. A maintained gap lower in the heat crack tomorrow is going to leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast.